Assalamualaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So in our today's lesson, we will discuss about the fourth state of matter that is known as the plasma state. Before the discovery of the plasma state, we have already learned the three remaining states of matter in which the first one was solid, second is liquid, and third one is gas. Now here we have the third one is gas and the fourth one is plasma state. Basically, plasma state it was discovered by Sir William Crookes in the year 1879 and he just defined the plasma state as the radiant matter. Basically, the word radiant means that is related to the energy transfer. So, the matter that is formed by the transfer of the energy it is known as the radiant matter. On the other hand, it was discovered through the Crookes tube. He discovered it in a specific tubes that are known as the Crookes tubes. And next, it wasn't given the name as plasma till 1929. It was by the Erwin Langmuir. He was a scientist who just proposed the name about that. After the word plasma, it is basically a Greek. Its meaning anything formed. The anything formed, which is known as the plasma. On the other hand, when we have a definition for the plasma, so it is a hot ionized gas. It means we have a gas molecules and we are going to heat that gas molecules. They started to ionized. So the ionized gas consisting of approximately equal number of positively charged. So it has equal number of positively charged and equal number of negatively charged electrons. At this state, the matter is basically known as the plasma state. On the other hand, we have a lot of examples around us. The simple example is neon signs. The electric charge produced as it is having neon gas and it produces the lightning signs. This is the form of plasma. After we have the fluorescent bulbs. These fluorescent bulbs are also glowing due to the plasma state of matter. Then we have the simple explanation about plasma state. Basically, plasma state it consists of a matter that is heated so high. So here we have to provide the energy in the form of heat so that the atom's electrons are removed. For example, here we have an atom. It is having an electron and we just want to remove that electron. After the removal of the electron, this is the situation. So this is the state of matter which is known as plasma state and that state is highly energized state of matter and almost 99% of this universe is made up of plasma. We have this universe, which means the 99% of this is mainly the plasma and all the sun's matter is in the plasma state. This is a simple example of the plasma from our daily life. When we have a look on the sun, it is mainly the plasma state of matter. Next we have how the plasma is formed. So here we will discuss about the formation of the plasma. In the simple, we have the state of matter which is solid state in which all the particles are regular arranged and in them there is no space. When the solid is heated, it is converted into the liquid state in which there is some space or intermediate space between the particles. After again one more heating, it will be converted into the third state of matter which is known as gas molecules and gas molecules are far apart from each other and there is more space or more distance between the particles. Further, when the gases are heated, then they are converted into the fourth state of matter, which state is basically known as the plasma state. So, plasma state is basically composed of the positively charged cations and the negatively charged electrons around it. So when it is heated or the simple atoms are heated, then they are simply ionized and an electron may gain the enough energy that to escape from that atom. Now this atom just lose the electrons and it becomes a positively charged cation or it is simply changes into the ion. Now in a sufficient heated gases, the ionization happen many times, not a single time. It may happens many times and creating a cloud. This is the structure of a cloud that is having electrons plus positively charged ions, or we can say that cations. However, all the atoms are not necessarily to ionize. Some of them may remain completely intact and they may gain no net charge and they remain in the atomic form. So, this ionized mixture gas may contain ions, electrons, as well as the neutral atoms, and that state is known as the plasma state of matter. This is a very simple state of matter which is known as the plasma state of matter, and we have already learned it is 99% of this universe. Basically, the plasma that is present in the natural form it is very less, so we can also prepare it artificially. So artificially plasma can be present in the form of neon signs. It can be present in the fluorescent bulbs and it can be also constructed in a special chambers in the laboratories. So this is all about today's lecture to how plasma is formed and what is the fourth state of matter. I hope you guys understand. In the next, we will discuss about the types of plasma and its characteristics. For that time, you guys have a good day and Allah Hafiz.